Ever wanted to make a clean professional planner in Canva to sell on Etsy or Amazon, or just for personal use? In this video, I will show you how to create a planner step by step from the cover to the inside pages, and even the clickable tabs if you want a digital version. Let's get started. First, open Canva and start a new design. Search for planner. This will create a standard portrait canvas. But if you want a landscape layout or a custom canvas for a digital planner, that's up to you in the left menu. If you search for planner in the templates, you will find many beautiful, ready-to-use planner templates. You can use them and customize them however you want, but I will create a planner from scratch. So, first step, turn on the guide so everything stays neat and aligned. Press Shift+R to make them show. Drag and add rulers to the left, right, upper, and bottom sides with a gap of 1 centimeter. Go to Settings in the File menu and lock the guide, so you don't accidentally select the rulers. Now add a simple color background or a soft pattern that matches the style you want. After that, add a rectangle shape by pressing R, where the planner content will sit. Change the color to white and stretch it to fill the page. To make it look more realistic, add a binding element. It will feel more like a real notebook. Make sure it doesn't go out of the ruler. Copy it to add more and crop the last one to fit in. Group and lock the binders. Select the paper, go to Effects, and add a drop shadow to make it look more realistic. Now let's design the cover page. Go to Elements and search for a background. Choose one you like. I go with this one. Resize it, crop it, and decrease the transparency. Select it in the upper menu, click Position, and move the background behind the binders. Lock the background too. Add a rectangle on top for the title area. Lighten its color and slightly round the corners. Add strokes to its edges and change its color too. Double-click the rectangle to add text, and type your planner name. Something like Monthly Planner. Adjust the font, size, and spacing until it looks balanced. Once the cover is done, duplicate the page. On this new page, remove the title because this will be your first planner page. Rename the first page as the cover and the second page to January from the top. It's time to create a calendar layout. First, add the month name January and use a heading or display font. Go to Elements, then Tables, and select a table template you like. Adjust it using the plus signs at the corners to make 7 columns for the days of the week and 5 rows for the dates. Resize the table to fit nicely on the page. Click on one cell, then hold Shift and select all cells. Now go to the border settings and reduce the thickness to make it clean. Change the background color too. After that, type the days of the week in the top row. Change the background color of the day cells and resize them. Next, we will add a notes section. Press R to add a rectangle. Place it on the right side below the calendar and type Notes inside it. While a rectangle is selected, choose Text Advanced Settings and Rectangle Text to the top. Then add some lines under it for writing. You can also add a to-do list section by duplicating it and changing the title. Let's go back to the cover. Now we move to tabs. Press R again and create a small rectangle on the right side. This will be your first tab. Change the color, resize it, and slightly round the corners. Duplicate it and place it under the first one. Before deselecting it, duplicate it until you have 12 tabs, one for each month. Select them all, resize them, and align them vertically with equal spacing. Move their position back to give it a book tab look. Now add text on each tab, rotate it, and write the month names, like January, February, and so on. The next step is very important. Duplicate your January page multiple times until you have all 12 months. Rename each page and its title correctly. Now click on the first tab, Go to the link option and link it to the January page. Then select the next tab and link it to February. Repeat this for all tabs. This step makes your planner clickable. Once all tabs are linked, select all tabs together, copy them, and paste them onto every page. Send them to the back so they look like they are coming out from the page. Our planner is ready to export now. Click on Share. Then download and choose PDF. After downloading, open the file and test the tabs to make sure everything works correctly. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tutorials. I will see you in the next video.